Hello everyone, welcome to DCC NIT Agartala. Myself Tejas, and today I'll be discussing the third question from uh, LeetCode Biweekly 100. The name of this question is find score of an array after marking all elements. So we are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Starting with score equals to 0, apply the following algorithm. Choose the smallest integer of the array that is not marked. If there is a tie, choose the one with the smallest index. Add the value of the chosen integer to score. Mark the chosen element and its two adjacent elements if they exist. Repeat until all the array elements are marked. Return the score you get after applying the above algorithm. So this is a very simple problem. Uh, we just need to implement these four steps, and we'll get the answer. So I'll not explain this further. I'll just move to the coding part. So we have our nums, and first we'll create a new object. I'll name it pair, and it will have its value and index. We'll make a constructor. Okay, so now I'll make a list of this object, list of pairs. I'll name it list. And this list, I'll traverse through the nums array, and I'll add a new pair each time. So new pair val and then index. So nums of I and then I. Okay. Now I'll sort this list, and I'll put a custom comparator here. So if the value of both the elements are equal, then we'll sort it according to their index, else we'll sort it according to their values. Now I'll also create an set of integer. I'll name it marked. This set will contain all the contain all the indexes that are marked, and initially our score is 0. Now I'll traverse through the list, and each time I'll check that if the element of list that we are currently at, okay, so if our marked contains the current elements index, then we'll not do anything, we'll just continue. Else we'll increment our score with its value, and we'll add our elements index to our marked set, and we'll also add its adjacent element, so index plus 1 and also index minus 1, and we'll return the score. So this is all. I think this should work. Now let's see. We are getting 7 and 5, and it's the expected answer. Let's see if this runs. Okay, so this is giving an error because I have we need to use long for our score. Now if you submit, I think it should work. Yes, it's accepted, guys. So this is the code once again.